Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix APK mod not working on Spotify. So if a modded APK for Spotify isn't working, here are some possible reasons and fixes. So first issue is you might have a login issues. So if you can't log in, Spotify might have restricted your account. So to fix that, just use a secondary Spotify account to avoid bans. So you can log out your Spotify, tap on your profile, tap on settings, and then at the very bottom you will see a log out button. You can log out and then log in again after it. You can use your secondary account. Now, you can also clear up data and try logging in again. So tap on storage and clear cache. So if that doesn't work, then you can also try restarting your application. So just swipe it up and then swipe it up like that. Now, if the issue still persists, then you can go ahead and go to your App Store or Play Store. And then from here, just search for Spotify. Tap on Spotify, and then if you see an update button right here, tap on that to avoid issues and bugs. Now, if that doesn't still work, then go ahead and reinstall your application. So tap on remove app, tap on delete app. Then after that, go ahead and go to your App Store or Google Play Store and then reinstall the application and then log back in. And for the last method is to contact their help support. So go to your Google or Safari and then search for Spotify help support. And then from here, just start typing your concern. You can also attach some videos or screenshots and then just wait for the response. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.